Okay, so we're moving on to where if I want to count the number in two sets, if I count the number in the A and the number in the B, and there's an overlap, then I need to subtract off that which I counted twice, and that would be the number in A and B, correct? All right, so we've done this a little bit, so I've done multiples of 4, but now I want to find the multiples of 4 or 7. So if I want to find the multiples of 4, that start from 1 all the way up to 100, so I know I have 4 times 1 all the way up to 4 times 25. And remember how you count this is we're going to say, oh, I need to count the numbers between 1 and 25. 25 minus 1 plus 1, so there's 25 of them. Okay, so how about the multiples of 7? So I would have from all the way from 1 to 100, so 7 times 1 all the way up to 7 times 14. So there'd be 14 of them, multiples of 7. So now I need to go find out the multiples of 28. So 28 times 1, and then it only goes up to 28 times 3, because I'm only going up to 100. So there's 3 of these. Okay, so how do I find the multiples of 4 or 7? So I'm going to add the 25, add the 14, and subtract off the 3 that were in common, right? Because the multiples of 28 are in common between these. So I just have 36 of them. Okay, so this is for you all to do. All right, so now let's play with permutations and then combinations. So permutations is when order matters. So if I want to take 3 letters of the word algorithm and put them in a row, so it's going to be selecting our elements from a set of n, and that's what this permutations is. So it turns out to be n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So you can just leave it as p and r. So n is the total number, so the number of letters in the word algorithm is 9. And this says I'm picking out 3 of them. So permutations of 9, 3. Permutations of 9, 3. And then, you could go figure that out if you wanted to. 9 factorial, 9 minus 3 factorial. And you know that this is 9 over 6 factorial. And you remember how factorials cancel, right? Times 7 times, and this would be over 6 factorial. The 6 factorials would cancel, so you would get this, right? In case you needed to. Just reminding you stuff. Oh, you know. Okay, here we go. So here's the same thing, same word. And I want to move 6 letters around, and the first letter's got to be A. Okay, so there were 9 letters in the whole word, but I'm already choosing the first one has got to be A, so I'm really only choosing 8 letters. Out of 8 letters, and I'm choosing 6 of them. So permutations of, I'm choosing 6 letters. Oh, no, hold on. 6 letters of the word to be arranged, and I've already chose the first letter, so there's only 5, right? Only 5 letters I'm choosing because I'm already saying the first letter's got to be A. So I'll just leave it like that, okay? And just one more. So what if the first 2 letters have to be OR? The first 2 letters have to be OR out of this 9-lettered word. So that means I'm only choosing 7 of them, out of 7 of them. And then if I want to pick 6 letters, well, no, not 6, because I already chose 4, or I already chose 2, so I only have 4 left to choose. So just going through little iterations. All right. So here, where order does not matter. So combinations order does not matter. So if I want to take letters of the word parallel and arrange them, well, I see that there's 3 L's, right? And the L's are not going to make a difference of where we put them, right? Because one L is the same as the other L, right? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use combinations. Okay, so let's go through what I'm doing here. So if I've got 8 letters in the word parallel, okay, there are 8 letters and it's got 3 L's and 2 A's. So let's first pick the places that we're going to put the L's. So out of the 8 letters, let's choose to put the 3 L's down. So combinations of 8, choose 3. That's how we say that. Then let's pick the ways to put the A's down, because there's 2 of those. So I already had 8 letters and I put 3 of them down. So 8 subtract 3, that's how I get this 5. So of the 5 remaining places, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've already chose to put the letters L somewhere, right? I'm just going to put them there. So there's only 5 places left, and I'm going to put the, the 2 A's down. So let's just say I put the A's here. Okay, so how many places do I have left? Just 3 places left. And now I'm going to put down the letter R, right? Or P, and then R, and then E. So those just have 1 each. All right. So I am going to let you do these 2.